What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have Neji from Naruto. So we're going to start just top half of our page. I recommend a pencil, hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with his right eyelid. So we're just going to start in the top half, just up here. This is our center point, and we just come over a little bit to the right, and we start with a curved line. We're going to go across like so. Curve and across, just here. This is top eyelid. Simple like that. And now, his bottom eyelid. So we're just down here, curving this direction up like so. And in there we have Neji's large iris. So we have a curved line here, and we have a curved line here. So really big eyes, and they're white inside, so we don't have to do pupil or anything. Easy peasy. So we'll come over and do his other eye. So we're about eye distance across, just over here. And we'll start with his top eyelid on this side. So it curves across again, like so. Just to there. And then we'll do the bottom eyelid. Just keep things simple, right there. And then his big eyes, his iris, two curved lines coming down the back like that. Just like so. Okay, so we've some lines in here for his nose, just there, curved line there, another one on this side, in like so, and then a line down the center for where his nose will go. Then we have two lines up for his eyebrow, so just one coming up this way. Stops about here because we go underneath his headband. And it's just a bit thicker at the top and pointy at the bottom. Like so. And then another one over here. And just a little bit wider in the top half. So we can draw in the line for his headband now. So this is going to come down, and it's going to curve right across those eyebrows. Like so. Right, so he's got two pieces of hair that come down the side of his face, so we will do that. So it comes down this way, right by his eye. Comes down. Real long. Like so. The other one comes down over here. It's not as long on this side. Up there, and then this comes down the side like so. And we'll do in his chin and his jaw. So his chin is like down here. just there. And then this is going to come up to his jaw and then up in behind his hair, just there. And then this side will go up, like so. So his nose then is about halfway between his eyes and his chin. So it's about here. And you just draw 2 nostrils, just there. And then below that we just have his mouth. So he's a real serious sort of dude. So we just draw a simple mouth like that, flat mouth. Right, so this hair is going to come up towards the top of the headband. It's black, so it all goes dark black into his the rest of his hair anyway. So it comes up here. And then the top of his headband, or at least the metal plate part, comes across like so. And then we might have another line just for the top of that there. And some bolts like so. And then the bottom of that metal plate, so just curves around here. Like so. And some bolts just here. And then of course we have the spiral for the leaf on his headband, and it has a tail and a beak, like so. You can give it a double line if you wanted, or you could just leave it as a single line, totally up to you. So you could of course just leave it as a single line if that's too tricky. Okay, so the rest of his hair. So we have this hair spike goes back up this way. And then another one is going to come down to here. Comes back up like so. And then this hair spike will come down just onto his shoulder, go back up his head, just there. And then we can see his neck, just in here. We can't really see his neck on this side because it's behind this piece of hair, but maybe it comes out just here on the bottom. Just like so. And then his shoulder will come out here and then go down, like so. And then go down off my page, just there. And we'll do that on the other side, because we need to do this first before we can get the rest of his head in. Because his hair goes down behind his head. Back. Hair goes down behind his back. Like so. Right, so the rest of his hair then. So it goes all the way up to the top of my page, just up there. So it comes down. Just there. And the other side comes down. Like so. And then the color of his clothes, just here, comes down to a V. Comes back up towards his hair here. And then we have his collarbones just in there. Boom. And maybe some neck muscle lines just here. Then, so he's got this piece of clothing coming across the front of his chest here. It's like a pad that closes, comes down all the way down to there, and it has a button on it just here with a line going in the side. And then fabric line just there. This comes down into there. And then we have some fold lines for his armpit, where it is. And maybe a fold line just here. And that's it. There you go. How to draw Neji. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.